workers have a problem or make a mistake, it's only one of three things that happened. Either I didn't give them a sufficient explanation of the job, that's the requirement part, or I didn't give them the time or the tools to do the job, or I put them in a situation where they weren't trained and they weren't ready to do the job. Well, it occurred to me he's looking at himself and he's saying, I failed them. You know, they made a mistake, but it was my fault that they made the mistake.
Jeff, tell me what you thought of this year's summit.
Well, the summit every year, it's something I look forward to coming to, but it's the people. When I'm here with not just the people that are attending, it's the people involved with TapRooT. It's like a family. You're never alone. You have a need, and everyone's there for you. So I learned a lot again, and I'm looking forward to next year.
All right, so we just finished the roadmap for success led by Rick Hulse, and I'm really excited. It fit perfectly with my needs right now because we're getting ready to go back and implement this at Corteva. And I'm really excited about using what we just learned to proceed and develop a good plan forward, work on communication with leadership, and drive the result.
Out of my career and a terrible car accident I was in, but something that happened 10 years ago. But the things I learned from that and how I got to be back to being able to stand on stage and perform and speak about the people. And that is something that I summed up under the heading, Building Successful Calamity.
It has been fantastic. We took the 2-day pre-summit software course.
Yes.
And it was super. I learned so much knowledge in this community, and yeah.
Yeah. So are you coming next year?
I sure am.
Who makes these mistakes that get people killed? Is it the people at the pointy end of the stick? Well, yeah, they make mistakes. We all know we make mistakes. But how about the rest of the way down that list?
Those crashes every day. So why, when we're given the tools to take control of our own health and safety, why, when someone puts information in front of us that can help us, are we choosing to be complacent?
At first summit, what are your thoughts?
I tell you, it's a great experience. I had a really good time here. Just had some really great speakers. Learned a lot, and I tell you, it was really inspiring. It was a good time.
What do you think about this last session?
Last session was pretty good because it came at a really good time for us. Trying to improve our program. We're combining global initiatives and procedures along with country and the merging of the two different companies together. So we're putting all our stuff together now. So it came at a perfect time.
Breaking, people screaming, and I turn around, and the first thing I see is the terrorists coming into the train car, picking up the AK-47 and loading around in the chamber. We're on vacation, and now there's this shirtless guy holding an AK-47. As I tackled him, he, butt stroked me in the face with the gun, so I just get hit with this heavy piece of metal.
This is my very first summit, and I can say that it has been very impactful. Met a lot of new people, different aspects of the business for industrial. I think that all of the breakout sessions were very meaningful. I think my favorite was Kevin, and he did it on effective corrective actions and mistake proofing. And he really gave some ideas on how you could dig deeper, think big, and switch from blaming an employee to let's see where opportunities we can fix in the process. Yeah, so I really appreciated that, and this is my first time as an advisory board member as well. So that was like, wow. Yes, I'm really grateful for the opportunity, and I think that everyone that's in, health and safety or quality, anything that has a process that could possibly be fixed, they should come to this summit because they can learn different things.
Great. That's perfect. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I hope to see you maybe next year too.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Thanks. Bye-bye.